of Palestinian territory as a permanent fixture, and its annexation of parts of the West Bank while seeking to hide behind a fiction of temporariness. So as such, we, Commission, conclude that the Israeli occupation of Palestinian territory is unlawful under international law due to its permanence and due to the Israeli government's de facto and de jure annexation policies. At our intervention this morning with member states, we recall that any attempt at unilateral annexation of a state's territory by another state is a violation of international law and is null and void. And this principle is laid out in the UN Charter, has been declared here by numerous member states, and also expressed throughout a resolution the week before last relating to Ukraine. And so therefore we ask the question, why would this not apply to Palestine? It's clear to us that the policies and actions by Israeli governments may amount to international crimes. These include the war crime of transferring, directly or indirectly, part of one's own civilian population into the occupied territory, and the crime against humanity of deportation and forcible transfer. Through our investigations, we also found that some of Israel's policies and actions in the West Bank are only cosmetically intended to address their so-called security concerns, and that security is often used as a pretext by Israel to justify territorial expansion. We have also concluded that Palestinians throughout the West Bank are subjected to a coercive environment. This environment is the result of homes being demolished, property destroyed, the excessive use of force by security forces, mass incarceration, settler violence, restrictions of movement through checkpoints and roads, and limitations on access to livelihoods, necessities, services, and humanitarian assistance, to which I also want to add the different system of justice they have. Palestinians are subject to military justice. Israelis have the protection of the civilian courts.